Hair loss. The main symptoms for hair loss would be losing hair in unusual pattern, losing hair in early age, thinning of hair, pain or itching in hair, skin of scalp is red, dandruff, patchy bald spots, full body hair loss prevention procedure using egg mask. Egg mask is one of the most effective home remedies for dull hair. Healing properties of the egg whites work well to replenish and restore the softness of the hair. With high levels of proteins, zinc, sulfur, iron, phosphorus and iodine, it is the most amazing mask you can apply to your hair for thick hair growth. Crack open 2 eggs, eliminate the yolk and apply the egg white mask to your hair. Leave it on for 15 minutes. It will look shinier and healthier instantly. If used regularly, it will help in growing your hair fast.